Hey everyone! So we have a little kind of semi-Halloween themed lunch here. I made for him a ghost sandwich. So this one has peanut butter and fluffernuff or marshmallow fluff in it. So he's never had that before. We're gonna see if it's good. I've never had it either, but I have my own sandwich with that combination. So I'll see if he likes that later. I also found these granola bars, chocolate chip granola bars that are Halloween minis, and they actually have some Halloween color sprinkles in there.
What?
Yep.
I did not know that.
Yeah. So then there's some broccoli here, some pretzel sticks here, some oranges, and his multivitamins are in there. So that's what he's bringing to lunch. We'll see if he likes the sandwich at the end of the day. Bye.
And this.
And that. Okay, bye. Okay, all right, so we're back from school, guys, and today we had the peanut butter and marshmallow fluff sandwich. Did you like that, Brandon?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, let me see what you got. Did you finish it? Come on. Let's go. All right, so we did the bento kids, and done. Let's see. Broccoli still here. I think he ate one. Yep, I could tell he ate one. He ate his multivitamins, pretzels, a little bit left of that granola bar. See, this is what it looks like on the inside. And then he finished the whole sandwich. Yeah, it has sprinkles. See it? It has sprinkles. But yeah,
Yum, yum, yum.
he said he liked it, so I think I might switch it up and do the marshmallow with the Nutella instead. Because I think he likes Nutella more than peanut butter. But anyways, we'll go ahead and give this a try once more. And then he's going to eat his broccoli for dinner. Right, Brandon? Right?
Huh?
Are you going to eat your broccoli for dinner?
Nope.
No? Okay, he's going to eat it for dinner anyway, guys. All
No.
right. Bye.
No. No, no, no.